Hello. Me and my mom are going to be doing a naked egg experiment. Our first one will be a normal one. Our second one will be blue.
That'd be awesome. Okay, so we need an egg.
An egg, vinegar, and since we're doing the second one blue, we need blue food coloring.
Awesome. All right, and we'll take some pictures of the after, but we start with a normal
Egg.
raw egg. Awesome. Let's do this.
So right now, what we did was put vinegar in the cups on where the eggs were in. And look how the eggs are like kind of changing in the vinegar.
Like they're totally covered in bubbles.
Yep.
And it said between 12 and 24 hours, the vinegar will eat away the outer shell of the egg and leave a soft rubbery egg behind, right, Andrew?
Yep.
And then after that happens, we're going to prove that that membrane is porous. And so we'll put food coloring in one of these and the egg will turn that color. What color are we going to use, Andrew?
Blue.
All right, so Tomahawk blue it will be whenever our eggs become naked eggs.
Hello, we're back again, and it's been a couple of hours, and this white stuff on top of the vinegar is part of the cell. It's the cell that had got dissolved by the vinegar.
Oh, look at it spin. That's awesome. And so this one's currently at the bottom, and while this one's floating, and this one, even though it still has a lot of bubbles on it, we're not seeing the same amount of dissolving of the shell like we have seen on this one. You can see it on top. So do you think this is a chemical or a physical change in the eggs?
I think it's a chemical.
I think so too. All right.
I think this one's heavier and this one's lighter. And the way that I think about that is because in water, heavier things sink, but lighter things go up in the water. Yep.
Awesome. All right, so this is our 2-hour check-in, and we will check in a bit later. All right, what do you want to say?
Bye! Hello, we are back again, and what we did this time is bring out the egg.
Oh, you want to bring it already? Okay.
And we left the vinegar in here, and we got blue in here. And soon we're going to put this egg in the blue one. And somehow the naked egg can actually bounce.
All right, what did you tell me what that egg feels like?
It feels like a balloon.
It does.
It kind of feels rubbery.
It does feel rubbery. And so, as you can see, it's this yellow color now. Its membrane is yellow. And so what it looked like in the jar
was that.
Is like that. So this one still has the vinegar, and this one we replaced with water and added the blue food coloring. Okay, do you want to lightly drop him into the food coloring?
Oh, I thought it was this one that was going in the food coloring.
so what we're gonna do is with this one, we're gonna prove that that membrane is porous. And so it's gonna hang out in this water for a while. And then to prove that it's porous, what color will that egg turn?
Blue.
Right. So that's what we're gonna prove.
And we're going to crack it and bring out the membrane for you to actually see if the membrane actually changed color.
That is awesome. All right, is there anything else that we want to say about our experiment right now? Just that it's awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool. All right, here's what the egg looked like after a little over a day.
And also, once you bring out the egg, use it with a spoon and wash it off in a sink, bathroom sink, any kind of sink,
That's a good point.
and water. So then, like the yellow stuff, the white stuff on the top part can still get washed off.
That's right, because what we noticed was, since this is floating, we had a little extra white on the top of our egg, and so we just were able to just gently rub our thumb on the egg, and it came right off. Awesome. All right, so we'll let our eggs sit for a little while longer, and we will check on them again.
Bye!
2, 1.
Hello again. We're back, and look at all these eggs that we had created. So, see this egg? This is an egg with a cell, and this egg is without a cell. And see if this egg can actually bounce. Bounce, boing, boing, boing.
That is awesome. And then tell us about the two different sizes, how that one is so much bigger than what its sister egg is like that has a shell.
It's because the cell wants to soak up the vinegar, and since the vinegar will get rid of the cell, then this will soak up the vinegar for it to get bigger and bigger.
That's right.
And this is our blue egg. The blue egg still can bounce. And also, if you do touch it, you will get blue on your hands. So wash your hands after
so
that.
Be careful.
Yep.
You turn blue.
And when we're going to poke this inside, try to see if its insides are different from this one, or if it's the same as this one.
Awesome. So you want to do that? You want to
Yep.
poke them? So if you can tell, friends, you can see the yellow yolk is right there. All right, Andrew, let's poke it. There it is.
Look at that egg.
A normal yolk, and then
Normal
there's
yolk.
the membrane. So are we able to kind of pick up this membrane?
Wait, that's the membrane?
Look at that. That's the membrane. So if any of you guys make hard-boiled eggs with your mommies and daddies, you
We'll
might
get the
know
membrane.
that there's that membrane that goes between the shell and the actual egg, the hard-boiled egg, and that's what it looks like, our friends. All right.
Yep.
So let's see if our other one is blue on the inside.
Oh!
Oh, goodness. All right. Well, how about that? It looks like we got some cleaning to do, and it sounds like our sister dogs aren't very happy, but our hypothesis is correct. Keep your hand over the bowl, sweetheart. That the membrane was porous, so we have blue insides and a blue membrane. Awesome. All right. Anything else to say to our friends, Andrew, other than it's messy and now we got to get cleaned up? Was this fun?
Yes, but don't poke it that hard like I did. Don't do it.
Now we're messy. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. You want to say bye to your friends?
Bye!